Children of nowadays, why be say sharp money na all of una dey always find? This one now that about one Yahoo boy we go pluck it, no be say even pluck. He try to pluck him mama. I say he won't go use and do ritual. And this one they happen inside Delta people. Why be say all the old bad news where they happen inside Nigeria? Most of it they come from a place. If now here say person do juju, you go hear say na from inside Delta State. Now this guy will commit this crime. We gotta say his name na Ima. Now there this guy call him mama. They tell him mama say, oh mommy, you come oh. I get one special package for you. Not knowing say na him mama this guy they plan use. Mama said done this now say, oh my boy don't get me something no. Say in fact I dey very happy. Make I go visit my son. Only for this mama to go this boy house. The boy they play loud music. They pretend like say in they very happy to see mama. Now there oga lock door. Try to strangle him mama. Try to kill him mama. If no be say this mama get strength, come they struggle with this guy. Now there neighbors come here. They come rush, come as I come they abs. What did they happen? Now there the mama talk say in pikin won't come out in aisle. Say baba when go meet talk say if you want blow, if you want ride, you want bends. Making carry mama I come. And the mama say no be today this boy don dey claim say that week he must buy him Benz. I beg no be there the mama suppose reason say person will be say you know they work, you know they do any better work. Just because say he won't buy Benz, he call the claim say in 1 week he go buy Benz. I beg how that one won't happen. When no be say Maga never pay you. Now there the neighbors come beat this guy. Now there the guy come begin to confess. Say he just they do all this one because say you want hammer. I beg your own biological mother, you no even pity her. Say she carry you for 9 months. May God don't let us go see all this kind of pikin where you go born this kind of pikin. We say later you come they regret. Because this kind of pikin to me, I never know. Who you want impress in the first place? No be your mama. No be because of your mama you won't buy car. What be say now you know even come reason as okay. Now because of my mama they do everything. You can't even get the mind and courage. You no even fear. You still there ready say you go come out this kind of eye. But I beg youth of now, why be so on a date very desperate? Any smart on I won't make money. Delta people making her they calm down. It be like so on our own desperation, even carry times 2. The way we climb, they run inside Delta State. Now it be like so on those they use and they drink water. Today go yes, the Delta person don't do this one. I beg what did they happen? On I know they even fear. But this kind of picking up me, I don't even reason. This mama ain't go accept the picking back. Because to me, I no go collect you back wherever you they come from. Be na me born you, no be me born you. You go find your square root go. Because pikin wey fit kill me, I no go wait until you kill me before I go pursue you. So this kind of person, I beg viewers where they watch. Wait on I think. If now you born this kind of pikin, I beg you go collect am, abi you go release the boy. Anything I get, make I write am down there. I go see you now for our next video.